let me now just give a small glimpse about this complete scenario of IIMT's open house. Ma'am,
Okay.
we have started this IIMT Open House with a perspective, and that perspective is that the students, not only of our institute, but outside India, would be getting out privileged and should have a moral knowledge that what they should do after their graduation, or which path they should take after their 12th. So they are very much confused, as you know, that they are very much confused after their 12th standard, that where they should go. They should opt for engineering, or they should go out for general science subjects like BSc, BA, or what they should do. And
Oh,
if engineering again, which branch of engineering? Because now the engineering is having a vast field
yeah, yeah.
to explore and what not to.
Correct. Correct.
So, keeping all this perspective in the mind, we have decided to come out with a platform named as IIMT Open House, which is
Okay.
open for the complete students, all students.
Okay.
So this is the only reason for having this. It's a YouTube channel. So this is the only reason why we have started this channel.
Okay.
And today I am having my co-host with me, who would be completely taking the session, Mrs. Madhusmita Pati, Madam. You can just have an interaction with ma'am.
So have you just
Good morning, ma'am.
good
Very
morning?
good morning to all our subscribers, viewers, faculty member, and my dear students.
Good
Welcome to
morning.
session 2, episode 2 of IIMT Open House. I am Madhushmita, assistant professor at IIMT and the host of today's episode. Today, we are privileged to have with us Dr. Arati J. Vyavahare, whose experience, knowledge, and contribution have inspired many students. She has industrial experience of 4 years and teaching experience of 23 years. She has published 2 books and 2 book chapters and also received the Best Research Paper Award in IEEE Sponsored International Conference. Ma'am, on behalf of IIMT family, I extend a warm welcome to you. After
Thank
a,
you, ma'am.
after a survey within student, have few questions and doubts regarding their academic and career journey. On behalf of students community, I will be asking a few questions to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. My first question is, ma'am, what is the role of engineering and technology in modern society?
Okay. You mean to say the actual role of the engineering with respect to the engineering student, or with respect to the modern society? You'll be interested.
Yes.
It is for the modern society, right?
Yes, madam, modern society.
Okay. So basically, nowadays, the engineering and technology serve as the foundation of modern civilization by driving the innovation and solving the complex societal challenges. Actually, the engineers contribute to infrastructure development, digital transformation, healthcare advancements, renewable energy systems, and communication technologies. So, as you know, this is the 21st century. So, engineering has evolved into an interdisciplinary field that combines the artificial intelligence, data science, biotechnology, robotics, cybersecurity, as well as the sustainable development to create the solutions for the global problems. I mean to say the global problems such as the climate change, urbanization, as well as the digital security in that terms.
Okay, madam. My next question is, how engineering
Well, ma'am, very nicely being explained by you regarding this complete perspective. There is a small question being there in the mind of the students regarding environmental engineering. Can you please let us know that whether this field can be explored by the students and how they can explore this environmental engineering?
In renewable energy as well as the environmental engineering, like the biotechnology or some of the data science, they may be getting aware of the knowledge of new era technology in that field. So along with that, cyber security as well as the what you mean to say, the renewable energy that falls under different type of climate changes or urbanization, they can solve this global level of problems.
Thank you, ma'am. And here comes the point to all our subscribers and viewers that yes, they can explore environmental engineering even if. And as madam has very nicely been explained about cyber security, we in IIMT even if offer a course of BTech in cyber security. So,
Okay.
as per the concern of madam and under her guidance only, we are even if providing this complete open platform for the students on cyber security. And as madam is there with us, we will even if together explore, and madam will help our student community to
Sure.
go forward with cyber security.
Sure,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. And let's go out with our next question related to the students, and it's about
How is engineering profession change in 21st century?
Okay, it is very interesting question we are asking, ma'am. So now this 21st century, the engineering has shifted from discipline specific roles. I mean to say, there are some core branches like mechanical, electrical, ENTC. So these are the discipline specific roles. They has been shifted to the interdisciplinary careers. So what do you mean by interdisciplinary? Like the modern engineers, for their overall development, for the work across the domains such as AI, artificial intelligence, then data science, biotechnology, cyber security, or some sustainable development also falls under this category. So they are expected to possess the technical expertise along with the problem solving communication, as well as of course it is mandatory to have an leadership qualities as well as the ethical decision making skills to address the global challenges. So this is the it has been changed from interdisciplinary specific role to the from the discipline specific in this 21st century era.
Okay, madam. Thank you. My next question is, what are the major career opportunity available for engineering graduates today?
What are the major career opportunities? So there are so many different career opportunities, madam. So as per the NEP guidelines, I mean to say, so these engineering graduates today's they can pursue the careers in AIDS like artificial intelligence and data science, then machine learning, data science and analytics is also upcoming field. Then cyber security, as ma'am Soma Mitra madam has already tell you that the cyber security, then cloud computing, robotics and automation, IoT and embedded system, renewable energy, also biomedical engineering, and then environmental engineering as well as the software development. So under these different type of graduation, in that course of graduation, there are mid-level as well as the entry level, mid-level, and the senior level positions for those graduate engineers.
Thank you, madam. My next question is, why are certification important for engineering students?
Certifications, you mean to say the engineering or overall certifications, ma'am? In general certifications? Certification is important, no doubt in that. But certification which helps the students to gain the industry relevant skills. Why they require the industry relevant skills? Because they have to improve the employability. These certifications from AWS, Google Cloud, Cisco, Autodesk or MATLAB, NPTEL also the online course is there, then Coursera, which validate the technical competencies and they bridge the gap between the academic learning and the industry requirements. They also provide the competitive advantage during the placement and their job interviews. for that point of view, or from that perspective, the students need the certification courses, I think so.
Thank you, madam. My next question is, what role do educational institutions play in career development, and how does IIMT support students' career development?
What role do educational institutions play in career development, right? So our college, which is based in Pune, that is a Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Engineering. So these institutions, your institution is also like IIMT, which supports the students' career development. These educational institutes, madam, provide the technical knowledge as well as the practical training, research opportunities, internships, innovations, ecosystems, as well as the industrial collaborations. So, which institutes, like our institute, like Modern College of Engineering, IMT, then there is a IIT, NIT, ISC, Stanford, which help the students to develop the technical expertise and critical thinking, leadership skills, which is very much necessary for successful engineering careers. So IMT, your institute also, I think, supports the students through industry collaborations, internship, skill development programs, different placement trainings, research opportunities, as well as the career guidance.
Let me now bring it to the notice of all our subscribers that Madam is having around 6 years experience in industry. So
4 years. Sorry, ma'am.
4 years,
4 years.
4 years experience in industry, and industrial experience with educational. Both the things Madam had explored, isn't it, ma'am? You have explored
Yes.
both the field,
Yeah.
industry also and academics also. So, ma'am, after having this experience or a collaboration of both the things, that is academics and industry, what is your experience? Is it that a person need to experience or need to explore both the things, industry and academics, or only academics alone can help a person to move ahead, or it is only industry can help to move ahead? So
So,
what is your experience like?
see, ma'am, that is, I think it is add-on to your career perspective, because as I already told you, there are entry-level career, mid-level, and senior positions in the engineering and technology background. So, if we don't have the industry training, right, with the institute and industry collaboration, then they might get the opportunity of their job opportunity in only entry level career. So for in that entry level, what they are having, that engineer technology that represents the foundational stages where young professionals begin for applying their academic knowledge to practical scenarios. These fresh graduates, madam, if they don't have the industry experience, so they might be getting the roles under the within only the government agencies or the private industry, or like the startups, academic labs, or NGO focused technology enabled solutions. So along with the industry experience or training sessions, they might get the opportunity in having some uh, freedom to work with the academic like mid-level sectors, where they have the freedom or they have the team coordination there with their which play a pivotal role for interpreting the organizational strategies or translating it into the technological implementation. So these mid-level engineers manage small teams, mentor junior colleagues, and the overseas timelines budget deliverables also. So
Right.
with the compliance of strategic thinking, project management, and the communication skills, they become important as technical proficiency as well. So nowadays, AIDS or machine learning sector, also as well as the cloud computing sector, biomedical engineering sector, they have the pivotal roles with the if they have the industry experience. So for this next level is our senior level roles. In that senior level, actually these senior professionals along with the industry experience, they often held the degrees like a PhD, MBA or LLM for policy making for their companies, right? So they participate in global conferences, publish in peer-reviewed journals, contribute to the patent portfolios, as they are organized for domain mastery, leadership, and their ability to influence the systematic change. This is the advantage of getting the industry experience along with their academics.
Very nice. Thank you, ma'am. And I hope that this complete objective had helped the students to understand better that not only academics but an exposure of
Correct.
both
Yes.
industry and academics will
Correct.
help them to move ahead.
Right.
Certainly academics is the base, but along with the industry, along with it, an industrial experience will have an add-on, as madam had explained very nicely to the community. So let's now move with our next perspective from our students' point of view, that what are the objective they have, or what is the future outlook they should go out for of engineering and technology for the careers and the careers point of view at IIMT. So what is the future outlook of engineering and technology careers? So where students stand after engineering? Is it only
Okay.
in the
Okay.
field of industry, or they have more such fields to explore?
Okay. The future outlook of engineering and technology uh, with the careers at your institute or our PS Modern College of Engineering. That future of engineering is highly promising, ma'am. So these emerging fields such as quantum computing, neuroengineering, climate engineering, smart cities, space technology, as well as the cybersecurity, data science, IoT, and renewable energy through industry oriented education, actually. So, the skill development research and the placement support with the modern UG and PG programs, which we are having in our institute also, Modern College of Engineering, as well as your institute is having that collaborations as well as the UG/PG programs in IIMT, right, ma'am? So, an active self development as well as the training and placement cell with the industry collaborations and continuous exposure to the innovation and professional certifications that helps the or that equips the graduates for to build their successful careers in both national as well as the international global technology sectors, ma'am.
Okay, so as Madam had given a very nice overview that where a student stand after engineering. So we are very much privileged that we have such type of mentors in InterScience Institute of Management and Technology. We are associated with Madam because of a very novel outline, that is through IIMT lecture note. IIMT lecture note on evolving careers in engineering and technology had bring madam and us together. It is the platform in which we have met, and we are really very happy that it is through God's blessing, or it is the, you can say, by a luck, that we have got an opportunity to get an interaction with peoples like you,
Thank you.
who are working towards the student community, who are giving some outlines and guidelines to the student community. Before we wind up today, madam, we would like to ask last but as we are having a very stipulated time period, a very last and a very important question to ask, that what a student, what an engineering graduate in electrical or electronics, in the field of electrical or electronics, should do after engineering? Will he or she should go out for a master degree, or after a couple of days exploring in the field of industry he should explore master's, what he
Okay.
should do?
So after graduation, as I say, the along with the certification courses like NPTEL, Coursera, they must do these type of courses along with their. I think you have in curriculum as well the many projects, right?
Yes, yes,
CEP.
ma'am.
CEP is also a good subject, good topic.
Okay, okay,
CEP means the community engagement projects are there, right?
okay,
So along with that subject, they develop a overall career in their lifetime.
okay.
So your question is specifically regarding the electrical and the electronics, right? So
Electronics, yes, ma'am.
electrical and electronics engineering, right? So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
that, I think that there are different opportunities available with that, circuit theory and power systems is also there, control systems, embedded system, digital electronics as well as the IoT. In that, again, the smart grid, the
Mhm.
capacitor manufacturing industries nowadays, Modi has uh,
Yes,
expected, PM Modi has introduced the capacitor
yes, yes.
industry in our country as well as so the that smart grid, renewable energy integration, these type of courses are also important for that. And specifically, I'm from the ENTC background, ma'am, from the PS Modern College of Engineering, Pune.
Mhm.
So I want to say, I wanted to convey you the different career opportunities in the analog and digital communication, VLSI design, signal processing, as well as the uh, antennas and mobile computing is also nowadays
Okay.
upcoming field in that
Okay, okay.
sector.
Thank you so much, madam, for giving us this, enlightening the path of the students with this knowledge. And certainly, we think that this will help the students of both electrical and electronics a lot in exploring their future guidelines, that what they should do after engineering,
Yes,
where
yes,
they should stand out. So
yes.
thank you so much, madam, for your
Yes.
time, for your support and
Thank you,
everything. We
ma'am.
are very much privileged to
Thank you,
have
ma'am.
you in this
Thank you.
platform.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
And
thank you.
at the end, we are having a madam with us as a mentor, guide
Okay.
for the future guidance of the students. I hope it's a collaboration hand, madam, for
Yes.
both of us, from IIMT and also from PES Institute of your
Yes.